Welcome to Business Sensor Hotel Management Software. In this video, we'll walk through how to process both cash and credit purchases using the Business Sensor ERP software, and we'll also check how these transactions reflect in the relevant accounting records. Once the software loads, navigate to the Activities module, then go to Purchase and Vendor section and click on Cash Purchase. The Cash Purchase interface opens. Start by filling in the required fields. Fields in bold must be completed before saving. For this tutorial, we'll select Main Store as our ordering department. Next, choose the vendor or supplier you're purchasing from. Fill in the rest of the necessary information as it applies. In the Details section, select the items you wish to purchase and specify the quantity. Once done, scroll down to the Payment Source field. We'll use the default cash account. After confirming all entries, click Save. To confirm how this transaction affected the accounts, go to the Account Report module. Under the Ledgers section, click on the Vendor Ledger. Find the vendor you purchased from and click the magnifier icon in front of their name. This opens the vendor's ledger where you'll see a credit entry for the inventory items purchased and a debit entry indicating payment made. Now switch to the General Ledger tab. Under the Bank section, select the Cash account. You'll see the outgoing transaction reflecting the payment to the vendor. Also check the Inventory Asset account, specifically the Beverage Inventory Asset account. The transaction should reflect the increase in inventory. This shows that the system automatically recorded the transaction, debiting the Inventory Asset account and crediting the Cash account, with the Vendor Ledger account referencing both. Now, let's perform a credit purchase. Return to the Activities module and click on the Credit Purchases tab. The interface looks almost identical to the cash purchase form, except it doesn't include a payment source field, since this purchase is on credit. Fill in all necessary fields just like before. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save. Let's now check how the system handled this credit purchase. Go back to the Vendor Ledger and open the relevant vendor's record. You'll see a credit entry showing the vendor is owed, with no payment debit since the purchase was made on credit. Now, let's check the payables to vendor's account, a sub-account under accounts payable. You'll find the transaction reflecting there, confirming that the company now owes the vendor. And that's how you process both cash and credit purchases in the Business Sensor ERP software. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.